to Monkey Island.
This
First stop was the feed.
is incredible. And it is here! Oh my God, this is crazy. Alrighty, you guys, it is finally here. This is Apple's newest product. This is the Apple Vision Pro. Woo! And when I tell you I'm super excited, I'm trying to just, contain all of my energy right now so that I do the unboxing and just kind of like my first impression and review correctly. The Apple Vision Pro here is Apple's first spatial operating system. Okay? Basically what Apple is trying to do here is create an environment where your apps are living in the same space as you. I got the 1 terabyte Apple Vision Pro because I needed to make sure that once I tried it on, once I liked it, I know I'm gonna like it. I pretty much like just about every device, but once I tested out and really unlocked some of the different power, I know I'm gonna probably be blown away. I watched tons of reviews like I do about everything before I buy stuff. And I needed to make sure I had enough memory. I didn't want to start getting it and I didn't have enough memory to do some of the things that I wanted to do. So let's get into it, baby. Apple Vision Pro. Alrighty. Here we go, here we go. Woo-wee! Now that was fire. That was fire. I really didn't expect it to just be sitting up like that, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Keep playing that. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I mean, come on. The packaging alone, dog. How you bring it out and then like you just see your device. What? Killer. Let's go. Soft band on the back. Got something to cover the front. Glass. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This is what I'm talking about. All right. Lightweight, lightweight. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Okay. The box, as you've seen, has the groove to sit the actual Pro, the Vision Pro right there. When you first open it, it has these your two manual instructions. Vision Pro and designed by Apple in California. Dual band, or the dual loop band. So I've been hearing about this a lot in the reviews, and when I went into the store today, I was asking the guy about it himself. And he told me that he also prefers the dual loop band. So I'm gonna try both of them. Of course, everybody said the look, aesthetic look, they like this band. And I'm feeling that because this band looks fire. But the dual band is gonna be, of course, one over your head and one going around your head. And they said the support is different. It doesn't have the Vision Pro sitting on your face and feeling heavy for so long or whatever the case may be. But they just said that it fits more comfortably with the dual loop band. So I'm gonna test out both of them, and whichever one I decide for myself that I like is the one I'll be on the airplane with. I can't wait to be on that airplane, baby. What? The dual bands here. And like I said, I'm gonna go back and get all close-up shots of this stuff. Inside the box here are the actual battery right here. Then we have the cords, the cables for charging it as well. So both of them are located inside of there. And it looks like, just like they were saying, this is the battery, and it's not something you can kind of like take apart. You can't take that out, but it does have a USB-C port right beside it as well. Okay. Yes, so this is the light seal cushion. So basically you're gonna put this cushion on, and this will allow a soft, cushion. This will be a soft cushion for your face. Don't think I need these items, so I'm gonna move these over here. Getting into what we're all here for, the Apple Vision Pro. I don't know, it's just, anyways, getting into it. I'm gonna take it's a lot of like paper, cardboard protection on it, so you kind of just take that stuff off, and you know, want to take your time with it. You don't want to break it or anything like that. Taking the protection case off for the first time, and let me get you guys a little clear view here. Alrighty, there you are. You see the band. You're seeing that bad boy for the first time. Yes, looks good, looks good, looks good. Getting this off. Ooh-wee. That glass is clean, boy. That glass is clean. Let's get it. Once again, this is the battery. We're gonna go ahead and connect the actual, you know, port plug type of joint into the side over here. It's on the left-hand side, and it actually just snaps in, and then you'll turn it. Okay, okay, wow, perfect, got it, alrighty. Now, to put it, oh Lord, to put it on my face for the first time, my personal one, putting it on my face for the first time. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I'll let you know what I see. Okay, I have to turn this knob right here is what tightens it. So let's go ahead and tighten it. Okay, I'm seeing my screen. Okay, don't know. Oh, okay. Here we are, baby. Like I said, this is literally my first time doing all of this, so you guys, just bear with me.
Triple click the digital crown for voiceover.
Oh, triple click the digital crown for voiceover. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's get it.
Lock mute. Press and hold the digital crown to align
Okay.
environment.
It's setting me up right now, so I'm setting up right now. Press and hold in the crown to capture my environment and stuff like that. So that's where we at right now. We setting it up, baby. Let's get it. Okay, adjustment complete. Let's get it, baby. Ooh. Ah! Let's go. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh my God. This is crazy. Yes. Hello. Hello. So just like the MacBook. Oh my God. Just like the MacBook, it starts and it says hello. And then it does it in like the other language. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, this is hard. Okay, use VoiceOver to navigate around the controls and then practice areas. When you are done, find and activate the next button. Toggle. Bring your iPhone or iPad nearby to get started. Okay, cool. First, okay, bet. iPhone. Oh, shoot, and it's already on there. Look, it's already on there waiting on me. Continue. Press the digital crown to set up your eyes and hands. This is incredible. I love this shit, bro. Let's go. Flip your hands. Like my eyes really are telling them what I'm looking at as I'm setting it up, and it's like low-key amazing. Like, how the hell can you see? Select more dots to refine your eye setup. And the crazy part is, it's like I'm looking at random dots trying to make sure that it's not like, I don't know, it's dope. One more time at the light when the light is brighter. And it's fast, like as fast as I look at it, it's already on the dot. This is amazing. Completing eye setup. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. I mean, the camera and the phone, gone. Because it just put a screen in front of you guys. So, personal beta. The whole setup, everything, I'm trying to just get through it so I can get to like seeing the apps and my phone and all that kind of stuff. So, bear with me. Like I said, I knew this was going to be a longer review. However, we're going to really dive into like unboxing, first impression, all of that kind of stuff. So it just finished telling me the video of basically of how to capture my face. So we're gonna go ahead and capture it. And it said remove to begin. OMG, baby. This thing is beyond. Alrighty.
Keep your arms and shoulders relaxed. Slowly turn your head to the right. Bring Vision Pro closer. Now, slowly turn your head to the left. Now, tilt your head up. Then tilt your head down. Next, let's capture your facial expressions. Smile with your mouth closed. Then make a big smile with your teeth showing. Now
Alright.
raise your eyebrows. Close your eyes for a moment. Capture complete. Put Vision Pro back on to continue.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put that Vision Pro back on to continue. Snug that baby back on there. Oh, and we're back. Okay, okay, and you better look fire, and I mean fire. Hey, now why y'all play me like that? I don't even have braids. That's not me. Let me see, because I need to see. Finally, I am about to open the home screen for the first time. Okay, move the headset up slightly. Yeah, they was right because I couldn't get in there. All right, press the digital screen. Welcome. And it is here. Let's go. I finally got it. Yes. Okay, messages. Okay, wow. Okay, you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. So, because bro told me the first thing or the thing that he liked the most was sports and like the entertainment or that aspect of it, I am going to find, he said go into Apple TV. Yes, Alicia, come on, Alicia. And this how you turn it up here. Come on, Alicia. I don't worry, cause hey. Oh. Okay, he right. Cause baby, if Beyonce right here, let's go. No one. Hey. This is out this world. Yeah, cause the way that they just did that, literally she was like right in front of me and kind of talking right to me. This is crazy. Super loving this. Super fire. Okay, I'm not going to. Whew. Spend a little minute on there. I am now going to take some time to actually go through the Vision Pro, actually see some more of the features that are hidden and that I can unlock into the Vision Pro. I'm excited. I want to give you guys an honest review of it, but I do feel like even with shooting the video right now at the same time as my first time unboxing it and really putting it on my head and diving into it, I don't feel like I'm gonna be able to give you as honest as a review or as clean as a review that I want to give. So I do think that it's important for me to learn the product a little bit more here and then come back and tell you guys some of my favorite features, whether it is the entertainment, whether it is the camera and the photo abilities, or it's maybe just the communication behind it. I'm not exactly sure. However, I know that I do want to find that out and I want to give that to you guys in my most honest opinion. So in order for me to do that, I have to play with it for a little while. So I'm gonna give myself 1 week of really playing with the Apple Pro. And this is actually good because I'm about to leave for out of town for a whole week. So I'll take it with me out of town. I'll use it on the plane. I'll get people's reaction so I can kind of tell you about stories of different reactions. People are gonna talk to me about it. I already know as soon as I got on the elevator, God was like, yo, that's the Apple Vision Pro. Have you got to use it? I'm like, bro, you're literally looking at it in the box. I haven't got to even use it yet. I'm trying to go and do the review right now. Anyways, I know what this is, the energy and the vibes that this is about to bring, especially when I travel. I want to be able, like I continuously say, keep saying, is I want to give you a good review and tell you about my top maybe 5 features. So maybe you can make your own opinion whether you want to go try it out in the store. I don't think the ones in the store you were able to actually put on your head, because these are custom for each person when you actually order it. But maybe you'll want to order one for yourself. Not exactly sure what it's gonna be, how it's gonna change your life, but I'm gonna take my week, I'm gonna play with the product, and I'm gonna come back and give you guys an honest review. So this is Apple's 2024 Vision Pro, their first spatial operating system, computering system, and it is very dope. I didn't try the dual bands, but I was able to fully set it up, and I have the icons and my apps in my environment when I have the headset on. It is here, it is now. This is technology, this is the future, and I'm a part of it, and I'm gonna be able to tell you, you know, how I feel about it, baby. Until next time, it's your boy Desmond Stearns. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you know, turn on the notifications so I can let you know my honest review of the Apple Vision Pro. Until next time, baby.